Today, I want to share with you guys how I'm taking listings that look like a lemon and turning them into a little bit of lemonade. Recently, as I'm getting more and more involved in wholesale and taking a look at catalogs, I'm noticing that a lot of products do not make a profit. However, if you take these products and instead enroll them into the Small and Light program on Amazon, then there actually is a profit that can be made. But a lot of sellers, surprisingly, don't know about the Small and Light program. And what it does is it really decreases the FBA fees that you have to pay. Because typically, the fees are so high that if your product is priced under $10, there's really nothing to be made out of it. So let me show you exactly how I'm able to take products from these wholesale catalogs that look like they're not going to give me any profit and actually turn them into some profit. But first, if you're new here, I'm Cassandra and I'm a full-time Amazon seller. On this channel, I combine my two passions of teaching and selling on Amazon to help you guys to learn how to sell on Amazon too. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button because it means a lot to me. The product does have to meet some requirements before you can enroll it into the Small and Light program. So for the dimensions, it can't exceed 18 by 14 by 8. For the weight, it can't go over 3 pounds, and for the price, it can't go over $10. So as long as the product falls into those criterias, you can enroll it as long as it's not a hazmat product in the restricted category, or if it is temperature sensitive, like something that's meltable, like chocolate, you also cannot enroll that. Also, the last category it can't be in is an adult product. So there are a lot of products that fall within the requirements of being able to enroll into the Small and Light program. If we take this product, for example, and I go down and look at the number of sellers, this is another reason why I really like to find those products that I can roll into the Small and Light, because typically there's not a lot of competition on them. This listing, for example, only has a total of 6 offers. And the reason why I think the competition stays so low on them is because a lot of sellers are not taking advantage of the Small and Light program. So for example, I can get my hands on these for 88 cents. If I wanted to sell them at $4.60, then my profit would be 5 cents. A seller who is researching this product and they're just going to enroll it into the regular FBA program, they would not jump on this for only 5 cents. Who would? So what I do at this point is take the ASIN right here and copy it. And if I wasn't sure if the product actually met the requirements for the program, first I would take it here to the sales estimator. We'll paste the ASIN there and search. Now I can quickly see the dimensions and the weight of the product. So clearly this one does fall into the category of being able to enroll into the program. Next, what I'll do is bring the ASIN over to the FBA calculator. Here's my sell price and the cost of goods. This column right here shows me my profit if I'm just putting it regular as an FBA product. As you can see, the estimated profit is very similar to the first calculator we were using. But if I look at the column right here, this is the estimated profit if I'm enrolling it into the Small and Light instead. So whereas before it was really nothing to even consider purchasing, now I can see there's almost $1 worth of profit here. Which, yes, obviously I'm not going to get rich by listing this product alone into the Small and Light, but the idea here is to repeat. So there's only 6 total sellers, and based on the estimated sales, if the buy box is coming to me an even amount of time, that would be 30 sales a month just on this one product. So that right there is going to bring me about $26 a month. Again, am I going to get rich just off of enrolling this one product? No, but I'm going to do this several more times. I'm looking for wholesalers that have catalogs full of thousands of products just like this one. And really, I should not have a problem finding 100 products that I can enroll in the Small and Light program just from one good catalog. So if I'm able to do that, that is $2,600 in profit just from enrolling Small and Light objects that are not bringing me back much individual profit, but together, that's going to be really powerful. Especially considering that most of the listings are just like this. There's really not a lot of competition because I think a lot of sellers just maybe don't know about the Small and Light program, or they don't want to go through the hassle of enrolling their product into it, which really isn't a hassle at all. So let me show you how to take a product after you've listed it and enroll it into the Small and Light program. This sticker book clearly fits the requirements, and this is a product that I already have listed in my inventory. From your Amazon Seller Central account, just type in FBA Small and Light product enrollment, and then come over and find FBA Small and Light. And then right here, we're just going to do enroll products. Now there's a few ways that you can do this. You can have an enrollment file right here that you can upload, like a CSV file. There's a template file right here that you can download and do it that way. Or the top option is a quick enrollment where you can just put in the SKU. To get the SKU, you just have to come to your inventory and find the product, and then the SKU is right here. So now I'll go to quick enroll and paste the SKU. Now all we have to do is check for eligibility. It says that the product is eligible, and now I can enroll it into the program. It really is this simple. So for people that aren't utilizing the Small and Light program, I'm not really sure why. It's a great way to take a product that is not going to make you anything and at least turn it into something worthwhile. So now I'll just confirm, and that product is enrolled. So what this does is it makes the FBA fees significantly less. So for example, if maybe they were taking $4 in fees, typically now they would only be taking $2. So it makes it so that your product is in a position where it can actually be profitable. Again, a lot of these products aren't super profitable, but they're going to add up. The more ASINs that you can find that meet these requirements, they really do add up quickly. So this is a great way that you can take lemons and turn them into some lemonade, especially if you find a really good wholesale catalog and you have thousands of products just like this at your disposal. So if you're already selling, go through your inventory and see if you have any inventory sitting that can actually be enrolled into this program, because it's going to be more money in your pocket. I hope this video was helpful for you and that you can see the potential that the Small and Light program really opens up for you as a seller. As always, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.